how to adjust the time and date on an IP camera using the icSee app. So icSee is started. I have two cameras here, and the time and date is shown in the upper right corner there with white, it's barely visible, and that one. So there are two cameras. Okay, so start one of the cameras, tap on one of them and come here to the settings wheel in the upper right corner, the wheel, and then go down to about device. So tap on about device, and there you have device time, and tap on that time at device time. Confirm sync time, and it will synchronize it with the phone's time and date. Okay, and time synchronized successfully. Go back and back and back. If you want to set the time and date for the second camera also, you can use the settings from outside here. Settings is there also. So the same thing, settings, about, and device time. Tap on that device time and confirm sync. Okay, time synchronized successfully. So that's how to adjust the time and date of an IP camera using the icSee app.